Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the scene. Pick heavy paper, 300 GSM, round brushes 2/8, a flat palette, and a water jar. Once ready, squeeze pea-sized gouache onto the palette, mix roughly 1 paint to water for a creamy wash that still covers. You test colors on scrap paper to check opacity and drying tone because gouache dries darker. Make sure to plan your sequence from lightest to darkest. That planning prevents overworking and preserves highlights. You continue by blocking in base shapes with thin washes, then allow each layer to dry. Patience avoids muddy mixes. Once dry, build opacity. Mix tints with white for pastel hues or add water for translucency. Use complementary colors to mute when needed. You employ glazing by applying thin 0.5 to 1 mm layers to deepen shadows and refine color temperature. As you work, clean brushes between colors and adjust edges, soften some, sharpen. You finish by adding final opaque highlights with near undiluted gouache to make details pop. Concentrate these on focal areas. Once done, step back and evaluate contrast and edges. If something goes wrong, lift color with a damp brush or gently scrape dried paint with the corner of a blade, then repaint after the paper dries. Make sure to wait until the painting fully cures before applying any fixative. That preserves the matte gouache surface and prevents bloom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.